Welcome to this custom, contemporary home, offering unsurpassed design and quality. It's situated for westerly sunset views on a large lot in a peaceful setting with community-maintained trails for hiking or horseback riding. Yet you're also close to city conveniences. Heading inside, discover a show-stopping interior designed with the highest quality materials. The dramatic living room features 25-foot ceilings, a dazzling water feature, gorgeous hardwood floors, and an open concept floor plan, perfect for entertaining. The state-of-the-art kitchen is crafted with quartz counters, double ovens, a wine fridge, and high-end stainless appliances with a sleek yet inviting style. From here, take in the tranquil views from your contemporary deck. The main level master suite features a luxurious interior with a stylish accent wall and a spa-inspired master bath. The walk-in closet includes a washer and dryer. The contemporary design extends to the upper level loft. You'll find 3 more generous bedrooms on this upper level. A bonus room ready for movie or game night with a wet bar. Plus an office, laundry room, and guest bath. The lower level guest suite includes a full kitchen, bedroom, and bathroom. There's room to build your own shop, plus plenty of space for your RV, boat, and garden. Luxurious style in a country setting. It's all here ready for you to call home. To schedule your own personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582 or email steve@nassarteam.com. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.